Today, we're gonna make a McRib sandwich. That's right, you heard me right. We're gonna do our version on it though. We're gonna take these spare ribs right here, we're gonna cook them on Recteq 1250. We're gonna make us a BBQ smoker style McRib sandwich. That being stated, let's get to prepping and we get to cooking. First thing first, I've already trimmed these ribs off. These are St. Louis style right here. I've trimmed them over for this right here. I'm gonna overcook these ribs today. I'm gonna cook them, try to take the bones and pull them out. But first we gotta get there. So two rubs I'm using today is Chupacabra RIBNOXIOUS and Let It Ride Championship barbecue rub. These two rubs I'm using in combination with these today. So I got the Recteq 1250 right here. It's up 275 degrees. We're going to put these bad boys on, get this party started. Let's put them on the grill. So it's been about 2 hours here. About every 30 minutes, 45 minutes, we kept spreading some apple cider vinegar. Just kind of keep the bark soft on there so it wouldn't get hard and crusty. We pour these bad boys off, let's wrap them up. You can see this one here's got good pullback on there. You can see a little bit of the yellow fat that's coming through the top side. We're gonna flip it over. That way you can kind of push it back through the meat and come out the top to the other side of it. And that way you can keep it moist and tender. Flip them over right here. Add some Parkay. A little bit of brown sugar right here. Wrap it up. Put it back on the smoker. We'll keep cooking them till I get really tender on there. So we'll keep cooking, keep checking it. I expect about another hour, hour and a half, we should be ready. Like I said, I'm looking for kind of do the McRib right here. So these are not going to be the tenders I'm looking for competition. I want them bone places to come out of there. I want the bones completely out for these. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some barbecue sauce I got right here. This is a sweet one we have right here at the house. The sweet kind of hickory smoke one that I've got. This one we make up ourselves right here. I'm going to take this right here now and brush this in. I'm going to take it, I'm going to set it right back on the smoker. All right, it's been a few minutes. Let's check out our stuff. Let's see what it looks like. Bread's nice and toasty. Still soft in the middle. See my ribs right here. Sauce is nice and set very well on there. So I'm getting ready to make this up a McRib sandwich. Take my barbecue sauce here on the bottom. Put some onions. Get them all nice and pretty. Making a mess, ain't it? Now I'm gonna put some pickles. Now these are pickles here that we made ourselves. They're not very sweet, so if you like sweet pickles, you can go with it. But these are kind of more of a southern style, kind of a little more vinegary, with a little bit of sweetness to it. They ain't really sweet pickles, but they got the tartness of the vinegar and stuff here. But they're still really good. But again, these are just homemade pickles. You can go deli sliced pickles. They've got good ones. You can do anything you want to, but we're gonna just put these on there. All right, so we got our pickles on here. We got the onions on here. We got our bread nice and toasted. So now we'll take a rack of rib right here and put it right on top of it. I'm gonna come across the top of that. Some more barbecue sauce. And we'll do that. That, boys and girls, a McRib sandwich, BBQ smoker style right there. Don't that look so good? All right, we're gonna slice this bad boy up in quarters. Just look at that right there, man. Look at that. Tell you, man, that looks just good, don't it? Look how good that looks. So now it's for the moment of truth, though. We're gonna taste this bad boy up, see what it tastes like. I got this in here a little bit smaller. So you can see the smoke ring, man. See how the smoke ring, that Recteq done a heck of a job there. So you can see the smoke ring and see where the bone was at. So, y'all ready? I know I'm ready. Let's see what it tastes like. That, my friend, is absolutely unbelievable. The rubs come through there, the smoke from the Recteq come through there, the flavor of it, the onions, the pickles, the sourdough bread, all came together. The homemade barbecue sauce, kind of a hickory sweet sauce. They're just knocked that server there out of the park. That is good, man. Give a shout out to Malcolm Reed and How to Barbecue Right. I've seen him do a version of this. That's kind of what brought it to my attention. So, but this is our take on it. A little bit different, but thank you for watching. Get inside and go eat supper. First, we want to say the blessing. First, we gotta let Dolly try it. And she is staring at me mighty hard. Come on. Dolly liked it. I reckon Dolly like it, you will too. When I say the blessing, it's going to eat lunch. Lord, bless food by our seed. I pray. Amen. Oh, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it. To that, see you next time. Now, go make you one of these. They're really good. You need to check this out. Man, I tell you what. Don't you want to impress your friends? Look at that. Show up to a barbecue, cook off, make those right yonder, and be like, okay, hold my beer.